This is a tutorial on how to properly install new mounting plates and new legs onto furniture. You'll start by removing the legs by unscrewing them from the existing plates. This can easily be done by hand. Once this is done, you'll want to uninstall the existing mounting plates. This can be done using a drill to unscrew the existing. Once all the screws are out, the mounting plate itself should be easy to remove. As you can see, our old legs are a perfect fit for the old plates. But our new legs are not. Next, you'll install the new mounting plates that are compatible with the new legs. You may have to drill new holes into your wood to do so. Make sure your plates are in the proper position before attaching them. This is once again best done with a drill. Last, you can attach your new legs. Be sure to screw them in firmly. Now, your furniture is complete and ready to enjoy.